So this day, here we are trying to fill in a hole. So I stopped washing out and getting these lines busted. Byron here is helping by trying to learn at the same time how to run that. Filling it in with the big gravel, not the little gravel. So we're slowly filling it in, but I'm starting to question my ability to feel confident about this surviving. We may end up having to put in boulders here to protect the pipes. But I don't think they want them on top of the ground. And if you look at how big that one log is, just to give an example of how much water is going through here, I don't know, maybe 16, 18 feet long. $15 feet across, floating down this ravine we're trying to fill in. With these two piles, man, I don't know. Maybe that log will help hold some of it together, but you notice how much all this is carved out? We have, instead of 10, 12 feet that was original, let's say where that brush is, and then I put T-posts in, try to help control the pipes so they don't move. And I put pieces of pavement there from down that way, somebody dumped in. I'm like, man, it has made this hole way bigger. Goes up underneath, so I'm standing on a ledge. And it's just, mind you, we're repair guys. We work on really wide range of things and doing this also. So I can go work on your air conditioner and then mess around with gravel. Or I can fix your roof, I can crawl underneath your house and jack it up, I can adjust electrical issues to where they work, and or do this. I know there's people that are better at any given thing, but you know, they don't know anything about the electrical and all those things. Anyway, my concern is we may have to have very big rock in here. I need to come down here sometime when it's raining hardcore and see how much water washes down off these mountains into this ravine, because this is getting silly. How much water is coming through here. Pouring down rain. We're trying to get it ready for the rain washing down that ravine from all these mountains around here. And smooth it out, make it look prettier. He's still learning. They say video game players do really well with equipment, and he seems to be all right. He's doing better, but can be improving. Always can. Can't see those pipes no more.